These machines provide total freedom. Everything is on hold while you're being centrifuged. Each cabin was equipped with a button. This way they felt they had a little bit control over the ride itself. Except for one incident where the this contraption is the dandelion. So we tried to compensate for the weight and size differential between. When the rotation starts, this causing the people to float upside down. The difficulty was stopping the rotation to height instead of acceleration. Well, actually, the first day wasn't really planned out very well. Entailed concept, no idea which track it was going to take. Unpredictability was an important aspect of our work. Which in many people